Looking for a hassle-free way to connect your cable lines without compromising on quality? The Leviton QuickPort F-Connector offers a simple, reliable solution that fits perfectly into your existing setup. Whether you're terminating cables for a patch panel or connecting to a modem, this adapter ensures a clean, professional finish every time. What sets this F-connector apart is its durable construction. Made from high-impact plastic with a nickel-plated die-cast zinc machine thread, it's built to last. The snap-in connection type means installation is quick and tool-free, clipping securely into Leviton housings without any fuss. Plus, the black color matches most Leviton plates, keeping your installation neat and uniform. Users consistently praise its perfect fit and flawless function. One customer highlighted how easily it integrated with their Leviton patch panel, providing a smooth pass-through for cable lines directly to their modem. Another pointed out the convenience of the labeled top and the secure snap-in design, making it straightforward to install without guesswork or extra hardware. Beyond convenience, this connector carries all approvals for both Canada and the US, UL 1863, CAN, CSA circa 22. 2. So you know it meets rigorous safety and performance standards. That peace of mind matters when you're setting up a system that needs to work flawlessly day after day. If you're upgrading your home or office cable infrastructure, the Leviton QuickPort F-Connector is worth a look. It's a small component that makes a big difference, offering durability, ease, and consistent performance. Try it when you're ready to simplify your cable connections and enjoy a tidy, professional setup.